Welcome back, language learners. In the last lesson, we learned singular pronouns, means in all, and how to form simple sentence. Today, we're moving forward with plural pronouns. Biz, we, Sendер, you all, and Олар, they. Plus, we will see how verb conjugation changes in the plural form. Let's get started. Can you guess how to say we are students in Kazakh? Try writing in the comments. In Kazakh, when we talk about more than one person, we use plural pronouns. Let's take a look. Men, I, biz, we, biz, sen, you, sender, you all, you plural, sender. All, he, she, it, olar, they, olar. Repeat after me. Biz, sender, olar. Biz, sender, olar. Great. Now let's put them in the sentence. Now let's use these pronouns in real sentence in Kazakh. Just like with singular pronouns, we don't use to be in the present tense. Biz studentpiz. We are students. Sендер мұғалімсіңдер. You all are teachers. Олар дәрігер. They are doctors. Try saying we are tourists in Kazakh. Write in the comments. Let's talk about verb conjugation. In Kazakh, verbs change slightly in the plural form. Let's take the verb to read, оқу, again, yeah? Like in last time. Biz оқимыз. Biz кітап оқимыз. We read books. Сендер оқисыңдар. Сендер журнал оқисыңдар. You all read magazines. Олар оқиды. Олар газета оқиды. They read newspapers. Repeat after me. Biz кітап оқимыз. Сендер журнал оқисыңдар. Олар газета оқиды. Biz кітап оқимыз. Сендер журнал оқисыңдар. Олар газета оқиды. Excellent. Let's see what you learned. Choose the correct sentence. What is the correct way to say they read a book in Kazakh? Олар кітап оқисыңдар. Олар кітап оқиды. Олар кітап оқимыз. Comment your answer below. Let's see who gets it right first. Great job today. Now here's your homework. Write 3 sentences using biz, sender, olar with any verb you like. Post them in the comments and I'll check them. Yeah. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. See you next time. Қош болыңыздар. Bye bye.